I specifically ordered things that would be able to be used on the table grill. So we're going to do some videos coming up this week, and I am just so excited to open this. In fact, it came last night. You get a text when it arrives, and I purposely put the entire box, we had to take out a shelf, of our refrigerator in the extra refrigerator, and we kept it in there overnight so that we could unbox it today with you. And I am just so excited. My daughter's going to join me for a late lunch, and in the meantime, we get to look at what all the goodies we've gotten. It was super easy to order from them, and I have not downloaded their app yet. I thought I would try it out first, but you know, it's looking pretty probable. Very well packed. This is heavy. I ordered 5 meals for 2 people, so 10 servings. And when I got the box from the porch, yeah, it's pretty heavy, but that's good. That means a lot of ingredients. So, nice little envelope welcoming me. And here are the recipe cards right on top. So these look very easy, not lengthy. I love that it's not, you know, a huge bifold thing of words, and very easy, okay? So that's a good perk. So we've got all our wrapping is recyclable, which I love. And here is our first bag. Let's see. These are all the extras. So I'm going to put this on the side here, and as soon as I get everything out of the box, then we'll go back to it. Okay, so we have some like brioche for buns. I believe we got some burgers. So there are, let me see if I can tilt this for you. Everything's inside like that. Okay, let me look and see what all we've got. Ooh, some peppers, some herbs. I have to go through and sort everything according to what recipe they all go to. Which I like that they didn't put a lot of extra packaging, you know, separating them, because you know, when you go to the grocery store, you're just going to buy everything at once. And I really love that everything's not overpacked. Literally, everything. Let me turn it so I can do this better on camera. It's very heavy. So there we go. So you guys can see as I'm getting everything out. So we have some zucchini and a lime, cucumber, we have 2 purple onions. So look and see which recipes I got. Sweet potato, carrots, more carrots. Okay, so the others I could probably lift out here. Problem. So it's like a little crate. Okay, so we've got some smaller potatoes, some more of the sweet potatoes, and then our cooler. Oh yeah, this is nice. The ice is very, very frozen still. So I'm gonna put that aside here. And then down below there, one of the little peppers that slip down, is where the meat is. So the meat is sandwiched right between 2 very, very frozen packs. So we have some chicken breast strips, boneless pork chops, more chicken breast. This one also has a little bit of a leak in. And some ground pork. That would be, and then the other ice pack is at the bottom. So that is all that's in that box. I ordered, as I said, 5 days worth. And I wanted them to come all at once because this is going to be our week of doing table grilling using their ingredients. And so I'm excited to see what we are going to be making. Garlic rosemary chicken. So obviously it's what comes with a nice little thing of rosemary. Looks good and fresh. And for that, it has carrot sweet potatoes, the Yukon Gold potatoes, the rosemary, red onion, chicken breast, garlic, and a chicken stock concentrate. Oh yes, these are the things that are in this bag. So there's more herbs here. And some rice. So all your little staple goods come in here. And this is some type of warm and smoky Southwest seasoning. Okay, so you get your little seasoning in the packet. And some sriracha, some things like that. So all of those little condiment items and little extras are in here. Okay, so that's nice. They don't, again, no excessive packaging, which I always so appreciate. Even a tiny little balsamic vinegar. So that's really cool. There's our garlic, sour cream, and the nice little handy squeeze packages. And it's a good brand. And this is HelloFresh brand of poison. So I'm so impressed with the lack of packaging. It is spot on. There's a few things I would say, maybe the plastic could be eliminated, but when you are shipping things, you have to protect them, and so they're doing a good job. Nothing looks blemished or broken. We had that one little leak in the chicken breast, but I get that all the time. When you don't even know it's there until it thaws. So it's partially frozen still, but the thawing, but it didn't make too big of a mess. There's balsamic glazed pork chops with roasted zucchini and garlic thyme basil. Garlic thyme potatoes. I'm gonna hold these cards up as I go. I'm gonna show you the other one now. See, that's the second one. The first one was the garlic rosemary chicken. It's that one there. Then we have a yellow rice chicken bowl. And again, all of these I am going to be modifying a little bit because I want to do all of them on the table grill. There will be some prep, and I will go through, this one's really good. Sweet potatoes and poblano fajitas. This one sounds really good. Again, so easy to do on the table grill. So I will show you how you can modify all of these recipes. And this is a hoisin pork sloppy joe. Look at that. I think it's showing up there. There we go. I'm excited. So if you look at the back of the card, you have very easy 1 through 5 on your plate. Right? There's not a lot of difficult things to do. And again, I'll be modifying that a little bit. So if you are a subscriber already to EveryPlate, it might be some of these recipes you know already, and you'll be able to see how they work with the table grill. And for those of you who are new to the meal delivery service, then possibly you would enjoy doing that with the table grill. And we're going to be using our Dash grill, and in just about a half an hour I'm going to start grilling with my daughter. Until then, thanks for watching the unboxing, and I hope to see you later.